We having a brunch because we didn't eat breakfast. So we having Subway. And I have a tuna sub. I'll tell you number cheese. I always get that. You want some? I like tuna. Don't look at it. Eat your food.
I thought you got this one.
For later. Maybe, I don't know. Them red onions are smacking on there.
Is Ryan getting the full one? No?
No. The Ryan not about to eat no full one anyway. But the other one's Janaya.
What is that?
What? What? I don't really know what's in here. Ooh. So, my youngest daughter, her school had a Christmas party yesterday. And they allow people to bring food in from their houses if they cook. She wakes up this morning and it was a massacre. Of vomit and...
Stop.
It was bad. Them red onions, man, they slap. They make the sandwich taste so different. I hope I don't eat too much and I be some like onions when I'm talking to people face today. Hello, hi. My name is Latoya and it's just like, oh, she got onions coming from her breath. Well, red onions ain't that bad.
What does it taste like?
It's good. I like tuna. I grew up eating it as a kid, so it stuck with me. Then I like fish, so. All right.
Not me.
Bless you. How blessed you are. It's your food. We're going in to get your Powerade. That was good. Oh, I brought water. Praise the Lord. I need to wash the car.